So making yourself comfortable now for the Earth meditation. And when you are ready, bring your awareness to your breath, taking some nice, slow, deep breaths. Relaxing as you exhale and letting go of any tension. Relaxing around your heart. Relaxing your muscles. And just allowing your thoughts to drift away. And the earth energy, the earth element, is about transformation and receiving. So the metaphor that we use is that of receiving everything that comes our way. From every direction. Receiving every experience as an opportunity to grow, to heal, and to become more of who we are. To receive, we need to trust. We need to know that life has our back. We need to remember that we are always held. We are always supported by the life force. So now you can imagine that you are floating on a stream, on a river, using whatever devices you need to be comfortable and safe. As that flowing water carries you along now. And this is the river of life. The life force is beneath you, carrying you along. And as you flow through the landscape of your life, you can enjoy the journey as you pass through the forests, as you flow round the hills and the mountains. As you flow through the valleys, you can rest and trust the process and enjoy the journey. Surrendering every fear and concern, becoming one with that river, one with the flow of life, because you are safe. You are supported and held and loved every moment of your journey here on the earth and beyond. And when you are ready now, just gently bring yourself back . You are calm and centered and relaxed.